So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to color grade your video like a pro on CapCut within 2 minutes. All right, it doesn't matter whether you have experience on color grading or anything. All you just need to do is for you to just watch this video from beginning to the end and see what I'm going to be doing in this video and do it exactly the same way I did it, and you will see that you'll be able to get cool color grades. Right, it's very simple. Basically what I'm going to be doing in this video is actually to collect other people's color and place them on my video. Right, so there is a tool CapCut introduced. Right, I've been seeing the tool on CapCut, I have not used it before, but recently I was just playing with CapCut, then I came across that particular tool and it was very nice. Then since then I've been using other people's color grades. Right, so I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to do that. So let's go to CapCut. So let's just move to CapCut. Right, so when you come to CapCut, the next thing is for you to just create a new project. So when I create a new project, I just need to select any random video, so this particular video, you can see the color, right? There is nothing right here. So basically all you need to do is, firstly, you just need to select the video, and once you select the video, then you just need to come and look for adjust. See, here is adjust, then select adjust. Right, so once you select adjust, then you can just do like, you can wait, or you can actually do like you're using a sharpen, because that particular feature doesn't come outside if you've not used other. I don't know if that's how it is. That's how it does on my own. I have to use a particular tool right here before it comes out. So right here you can see this place, you can see this particular tool right here. They call it color match. Right, can you see it? So this actually means that if you want to match your color to another person's video, all right, you just need to select it. So all you need to do is just to select it, and when you select it, the next thing is for you to, you can see this play they wrote upload right here. If you tap on this upload, then you go and select the particular video that or you want to match your color with. So what I do is that I go to Instagram, any video that I like, I'll just screenshot the video. I don't even need to download the video, I'll just screenshot and use the picture to match the color. So right here I have several ones that I screenshotted, but there is this particular one I'm using for this particular background, because I like it, which is this one right here. So all I need to do is to select it, and when I select it, you can see the video, the color has matched with the color of this video. So if you don't understand it, let me just do undo so that you see how the color was before I did that. So let me do undo. You can see I just did undo, and you can see the color has gone back the way it was before. All right, so let me do it again, so that you get to see it. So all I need to do is for me to just come to adjust, right, and come and click on color match. So once I tap on color match, then come and click on upload, then I'll select the picture again. You can see the color have changed to that particular grade, right? So you can actually increase it, or reduce it depending on how you want it. So most times I like leaving it on 70. Right, so I'll place it on 70, and when I place it on 70, the next thing I need to do is for me to just come and click adjust again, and either I play with the contrast. Most times I just add the contrast to 10. Right, most times I just leave it, depending on the particular color I'm actually matching my video with. All right, so you can also play with the saturation, play with other things, and sharpen. You can add more sharpen so that the video will be very sharp. All right, so after I've done that, the next thing I need to do is just to clean my face, and which I've already made a video on how to do that, but in this video I'll show you guys again how to do that. So all you need to do is for you to select the video and come and click on this retouch. You can see retouch right here. Once you tap on retouch, you can see face right here. Tap on this face. Once you tap on the face, then you can actually go and clean your face so that your face will be fine. So you just need to come and select this smooth. Right, so once you select this smooth, you just need to come and put it on a particular number you want. Mostly I like putting my own on 30. So once you select 30, just come to this whitening right here, then select whitening and put whitening on 20, which is what I normally put my own. Right, so the next thing is for me to just come and click on this white teeth right here. You can see this white teeth. This white teeth actually helps you to actually make your teeth to be more whiter than it is. Right, so you just need to put it on 30. All these things is just to make your video look fine. then that's all. You can see I've already color graded this video, and you see how clean it is. And this particular video you're watching right now, I'm going to match it with this same color that I just did right here. So that's what you are watching. I just matched it. So another thing I want you guys to understand is that this particular feature you see right now is for pro, right? So you need to pay money for you to actually use this particular feature. But if you don't want to pay money, this is how you are going to be doing it. After you've done the color match and everything, all you need to do is for you to just do a screen record, right? Then play the video from beginning to the end, right? I made a video on how to do that actually, so I'm just trying to explain it again. And after you play the video from beginning to the end, and just post the save the screen record, and import it back on CapCut, then use a crop and crop it as well and export it. It will give you still same high quality, even though it might look somehow, but you just need to sharpen it and make it look very good, right? But CapCut is not that cost. You can actually find somebody that you can share the money with, even if it's 3k. All right, use the pro version so that you get to enjoy this particular feature. You know, when you're using pro version, you get to see other features that are very enjoyable. You know, this is your business. You know, you are a content creator and you want to make money with your content, so it's important that you actually invest money into this, right? Investing $9 into this is not really that big money, which you know that you are going to be making more than that, right? So this particular one I just did is for the people that are using pro version. So it's important as a content creator to invest in your craft. So go there and pay for the pro version and get to use this particular service, right? So thank you all for watching this video from beginning to the end. You guys are amazing. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azmin, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.